Republic Parking Northwest was founded in 1987. We have about 350 employees spread over 4 states in the Northwest. Technology plays a very important role in our day-to-day operations. We have a call center that takes about 10,000 calls a month from the different locations.
Republic Parking, how can I help you?
The hub is a replacement for having attendants on site. We have 25 different locations that are feeding in there through audio and video.
Customers call into the hub. They have questions like, I don't know how to pay, or like a gate arm is broken.
What we were missing was that next step where we could ensure that those operations managers for those locations were actually following up on the original problem in the first place. And that's where Provoke came in.
Provoke Solutions is a design-led software development business.
Provoke really enabled us to take that next step and create a solution that takes the data that we're producing and puts it into a system that then sends it out to the managers per their location.
The end solution that we delivered using SharePoint Online provided them a one-stop place to visit, see these daily tasks. It was customized for the person viewing that content with set deadlines for all the location managers.
And it shows the timeline of this one was 3 days ago, this one was 2. Being able to see just mine is a lot more efficient.
We created an all-encompassing dashboard for the general manager and directors to be able to go in and see a snapshot of the business.
I can see whether a manager has resolved the problem or not, and if they haven't, the system's automatically pinging them rather than me having to do it.
I spend 2 hours a week versus 2 hours a day sorting through information.
We can show potential clients that not only do we know how to handle these kinds of problems at their automated locations, but we know that our managers are following up on each issue the following day, and they're ensuring that the same problems aren't happening again and again.
I'm definitely a people person, so using 365 and the new system makes it a lot easier solving problems, making the customer's experience great.